Welcome to JH. WexleyLondon.com wants you to believe they are the kings of eco-friendly fashion with 15 years of timeless experience. Apparently, timeless is just code for "we made this up yesterday." Let's see if this site is legit or just another digital dumpster fire. First off, their math is a bit creative. They boast 15 years in the business, yet a quick Hoy search shows the domain was registered only recently in July. I guess time flies when you're lying through your teeth. That's a red flag big enough to cover a stadium. Then there are the prices. They're offering 80% off practically everything, plus extra discounts if you hoard more. Because nothing says high-end sustainability like a clearance sale that looks like a going-out-of-business fire sale on day one. It's a classic tactic to push you into a panic buy before your brain catches up with your wallet. Let's talk about their original designs. A quick look reveals their photos are as original as a live, laugh, love sign. They've been lifted straight from other platforms, which usually means the actual products exist only in your imagination. If they can't even afford a camera, they probably aren't planning on shipping your order either. Transparency is also non-existent. There are no owner details, no team bios, and no company history. It's like the site was built by ghosts who hate accountability. When an online store hides basic info, it's usually because they don't want to be found when the complaints start rolling in. To top it off, there's zero feedback on Trustpilot or Reddit. In an age where people review their own socks, having absolutely no digital footprint is a massive warning sign. So, is WexleyLondon.com legit? Between the fake history, stolen photos, and suspicious discounts, it's about as trustworthy as a chocolate teapot. It's much safer to avoid this place entirely until they can prove they actually exist in the physical realm. Thanks for staying till the end. If you found this reality check helpful, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more honest updates.